Hi guys, my name is Kayla Rundle, and right now we're at Scottsdale Restorations because we are going to be gutting and redoing my stock interior on my 2013 Camaro SS. So let's go get started on it. All right, we have gutted my entire Camaro interior, and you can see the old subs and speakers that are well over 10 years old now, and we will be replacing these with a new setup, which we will show you guys in a minute. And the OEM doors are also getting a new speakers in the front here by your foot area, and we're gonna be doing a special something on the kick panel. Here we replaced the entire head unit, and this does replace your AC gauges and all the area around it, but it's nice because it comes in a full kit, so it was pretty simple to install.
All right, so here we have the amp rack for Kayla's Camaro. We have our Kenwood amps in here. We have our nice trim ring. I got my clean wire done. I built a little area pocket on the back right here for all these wires to come through, so we get a nice clean reveal. That way you don't ever see all the wires in the front. I don't have them running across the board. From here I will be putting this in the car, hooking the power up, and we should be able to turn it on.
So let's get started in the interior and start installing the boom mat. Moving on to my Camaro door. On the door, we installed the boom mat sound dampening. That will reduce vibrations and help with like where the sound of the speakers are directed in the vehicle. And we did line the entire back seat with that same boom mat because there's a lot of exhaust vibrations, especially with those subs. It's gonna get crazy back there.
This is where I put in the custom lower door panel kick area. Right now, I'm just making sure that everything fits properly, 100%, and I'm happy with my gaps, so.
Beautiful custom panel right here, made out of wood, and he hand sanded all those edges.
It's all hand shaped.
That speaker's bigger than factory, so we did have to cut out the door a bit.
Yep. a full custom one-off job, built a nice little ring that sits around the speaker so we could give it a little bit of an angle instead of the factory set. We also color matched the upper part so that it gives it a real factory feel in the car.
All right, it is time to wire in the speakers slash subs for the rear. These are the 6x9 Kenwoods. So I did install the front center channel, which is a tiny little speaker. The rear tray, we had to pull that out, replace the two 6x9 speakers, and then put the tray back. So I have my headliner all prepped. I used 80 grit sandpaper and quickly etched the entire surface to try to get rid of all of the old residue from the old headliner. So now it's time to lay on the new suede material on the headliner. We just finished wrapping the headliner and look how amazing it looks. It's full Alcantara. We shaved all of the edges and tucked those nicely around the corner. You can probably kind of see on the underside. And then I also wrapped the A and C pillars in the same material, so it will have a nice flow from the front to the rear of the vehicle. So this is good to go back into the car.
So what I'm doing here basically is this is the base layer of the bottom of the sub box. Everything else will be MDF. Also the fiberglass is going to give us less of material buildup. So the MDF obviously is 3/4. This is going to be like a 1/4 inch. So we'll be able to achieve more airspace. Here, I'll build another top plate that has like some nice reveals. I'll use this template right here and make it my own, kind of shorten it up, give it a better look to fit the area. Then I'll get everything wrapped. All right, so we got the sub enclosure all the way in Kayla's car. I got my grills wrapped in the Alcantara. I got the subs mounted, the boxes all the way in. I got my trim panel all the way done. What you see in the back right there that's the rear panel where the acrylic is gonna go.
All right, we made it here to Good Guys in Scottsdale, Arizona, and it is finally time for the grand reveal for the interior project of this Camaro. So the head unit is in with that new display screen. We also have the entire paneling of the backseat area all completed, wrapped in Alcantara and leather, with the hidden panels that reveal the subwoofers. And they custom engraved my logo on the acrylic in the back seat, and that illuminates when you key on the car for a nice teal to match the accents around the vehicle. If you come in towards the back, you'll see the amps in the trunk, and we also laid down some nice new carpeting in the trunk here since it was all bare bones before. Be sure to subscribe to the Scottsdale Restorations YouTube channel and stay tuned because there's a lot of upcoming fun projects coming on the channel.